My name is Ryan. I am a tooth transplant patient here at Dr. Bolton's. Came across Dr. Bolton, met with Josh, and felt like it's something that I needed to do. I can style it with gel when I put anything, conditioner or gel in, but now it's thick. My regular barber was out of town. I just told him, I said, be careful about going, too short. Like, he couldn't even tell. He was amazed to find out that I had actually had a hair transplant. When people started to see my hair come back, they actually, why did you ever shave your head? Why didn't you grow? You have such a nice thick head of hair. It's just amazing. I'm extremely happy with it. I love you, Dr. Bolton. I mean, the whole staff here, everybody. And I'm happy for it. I'm grateful for it.
Here we are with our patient Aldo. We did a max harvest hair transplant procedure on Aldo. The follicular unit is the naturally occurring bundle of hair which builds behind. And what we do differently is we use a graft that's called a multiple follicular unit graft. Nothing catches the eye, everything looks super soft and natural. So when we do the max harvest hair transplant procedure, we get as far as we can go. You can see this little white line, that's the suture line, part of it. You can see that all through there. So it looks the exact same as a natural crease.
Fantastic. That's beyond expectation.
Beyond expectation, excellent. Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
I wish you the best.
Thank you to all of you again.
I started losing my hair when I was in my mid-20s and general interaction with people. When I noticed that they noticed my hair loss. The way Dr. Bolton does the procedure is significantly different in its structure than many of these changes that would just progress. I felt good about it, and I saw the previous work that you've done with other clients, and it really impressed me. And for the reason that you're the only patient here. It was pleasant. It was more pleasant than I thought it was. It went faster than I thought it would. Overall, a nice experience. The staff is amazing. I caught her doing that. It's like, why are you staring at? It's like, there's something about you. I just cannot tell what it is. And then finally the bell rang. She's like, I know, you got hair again. But it took her like 10 minutes. So I could call Josh up anytime and ask questions on the cell phone and just asking Dr. Bolton is just a different story because you really get a thorough answer and you feel that he takes pride in what he does, and that's is a huge difference.
Holy smokes! It works!
Yes, it does.
Wow!
I've changed my life completely. Very happy, man. Everybody's excited. They can't believe it, and they're happy for me.
Now we did a max harvest plus hair transplant procedure on Amir.
Is this real? Nobody notices.
That's where he started. That's where he is today. He doesn't have to do a second procedure. He looks great, but it would be great to have one more pass, and he can get away with doing even a smaller procedure than what he did before.
I owe you so much. I don't know what to say.
Your happiness,
So
your happiness, and you showing up as your payment, man.
Thank you.
I'm so happy.
Thank
for
you.
Start 10 months ago in my life changed. My friend, my family is wow. Your faces change everything.
There's nothing more than we love than when our patients come back with their head held high and their shoulders up and excited to show us what we did for them. His mother was cooking and had some boiling water on the stovetop.
Make tea with big kettle of water, all the hot water spraying on my face. It was hard. Dr. Bolton said, I can promise you're gonna have your hair back. 2 weeks later, it turned out to be so good. After 4 months, I had all my hair. I can do anything I want, any activities. This change, this hope, I've got it from this place. I would definitely recommend PAI and Dr. Bolton.
For his follow-up, he sees me, he grabs me, he picks me up, he's like so happy. It just makes me feel, you can't beat that feeling.